Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can change the language model for the Leo AI chat in the Brave browser in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, head over to your Brave browser and there are two ways how you can do this. Option number one, you open up the Leo AI chat in the top right. And here in the conversation menu, you click into the drop-down menu and choose your model from that list, show all models, and go with one of these. Option number two, guys, let me just close Leo AI. You navigate to your browser settings through these three lines, select settings here, and in your browser settings, click into Leo. Here, you scroll down and under personalization, you set a language model for new conversations and for the tab focus. To do that, click into the drop-down menu and again, pick the language model that are available and you would like to use from the list below, as well as for the default model for tab focus. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got something from it, and we'll catch you later.